try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want and not what you need. Stuck in reverse, lights will guide you home, and I will try to fix you.
Robin van Persie has a new home.
I'm a lover of football. It's always difficult to find a perfect match, but I do feel that this is the perfect match for me. Manchester United breeds football.
I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys too. So let's do this.
I always listen to that little boy inside of me, and what does he want, you know? And that boy was screaming for my eyes.
With a sumptuous goal, Robin van Persie, 100 up, hat-trick for Manchester United. Only in the Premier League, right, Street Fighters.
What a moment for Robin van Persie.
It's just in little things. I'm seeing things again which I didn't see for a long time. You know?
Robin van Persie scores against his old club. Robin van Persie strikes.
I'm surrounded by champions.
Van Persie, and that's what he and Manchester United are all about this season. Hardest thing in the game. He makes it look easy. Robin van Persie does the trick for Manchester United.
See the passion of Robin van Persie's face there.
Robin van Persie, 1-1 at Old Trafford. Look at the joy. Persie, playing for an occasion, Leeds United and Champions League lifetime. Persie, oh fantastic! The Dutch master produces another work of art. Robin van Persie. Now that is how to finish the game off.
All these guys here know how to win.
Van Persie hits the post. The ball ends up in the back of the net. Van Persie, 2-0.
Like Ashley, for example. He's champion! That's what I mean. So, that's what he had.
Down your face. When you lose something you cannot replace.
Goes. And it's in by the deflection. What a derby debut. There's every chance he's won it for Manchester United. Great run here from Robin van Persie. And what a devastating finish. In low back Persie, brilliant. One touch of a maestro. Robin van Persie. Is it still like a goal? It means a lot to him. And what a ball to pick him out. What a finish. Persie to complete his hat-trick. He surely does. But the guard of honour is the correct thing to do. Please be baked. 1-1. No celebration. They had to pay top dollar to Arsenal. Goodness me, it was worth it. A grand finale for Manchester United and Robin van Persie.
Well, he is just absolutely class, Robin van Persie.
What's it like to lift it?
It's heavy.
I think that little boy advised you quite well, didn't he?
I want to thank all of you guys for all your support. Since day one, I love every single bit of it.
Robin van Persie, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Robin.